Welcome back to my series, A Day in the Life of an Art Major. Today we're going to be pivoting from pottery and we're going to be woodworking. I found this skimboard at the Salvation Army and I thought that it would be perfect for a little coffee table moment. The only problem is I've never, ever have worked with wood in my life, so wish me luck. I still have no idea why they lent me this piece of machinery, but I can say I was able to strip the paint and sand the edges, and I can't wait to show you what's next in the next video. Bye!